Hello everyone. We are looking at determinant chapter phase 5 exercise 1 and we are at question number 25. A square matrix is given to us so we can find the determinant value and determinant is given to us as 12 and we have to find the value of A into adjoint of A, determinant value of this. First of all, determinant will break down. So A and adjoint of A. So this is nothing but finding this. And we have seen in the earlier question, what is the values adjoint of A? Adjoint of A ka determinant is e to the power n minus 1. And in this case is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And adjoint of n, this is this. And we are multiplying another determinant to it. So this is nothing but q. So this is 12 cube. This is 12 cube. Thank you.